Welcome to your new Subaru, and congratulations on your new purchase. You may not know it, but your new Subaru comes with some pretty cool hidden features that improve your daily life and keep you informed. Let's use your car to its full potential. If your Subaru has a power liftgate, it's not stuck opening to full height every time. You can set a memory height, so it stops whenever you need it. To set, just open the gate to the height you want using the power gate function, then press and hold the button on the edge of the gate until you hear a chirp, and the hazards flash 3 times. That height is now locked in. Every time you open it from here on, it'll stop right where you set it. To reset or adjust, just open the gate to the new height you want, then hold the button on the gate again until you hear that same chirp. This overrides the memory. Subaru auto-dimming mirrors darken automatically at night when the rear sensor detects glare from headlights behind you. No manual adjustment needed while driving. There's a small button on the bottom or front edge of the mirror housing, and you can press it to switch auto-dimming on or off, and an LED indicator shows the mode. In Subaru with dimming but not automatic mirrors, just flip the switch on the bottom to switch from one mode to the other. Your Subaru's touchscreen isn't just for music and navigation. It can show you live local weather right where you need it before you even pull out of the driveway. Current temperature forecasts and even radar are all built into the display. That matters more in a Subaru than in most cars. If you're the type who's chasing a trailhead at sunrise, driving up to ski before the lot fills, or just trying to beat a storm home from camp, knowing what's ahead means you can plan your route, your gear, and your timing before you're already committed. No pulling over to check your phone, no guessing based on the sky. Simply scroll to the weather portion of the top information panel and click. Your Subaru's auto settings include a fader and balance control, which most owners never even touch. Fader shifts sound from front to back, and balance shifts it left to right, letting you steer where the audio actually lands in the cabin. To find it, open the audio screen, go to sound settings, and look for fader and balance. Buried in your settings menu is a feature most owners never even set up: birthday and anniversary reminders. Add a name and date once, and your Subaru will display a message on startup every time that day comes around. A small detail, but the kind of thing that makes the car feel like it actually knows you. To set it, just go into settings, find birthday or anniversary, and enter the date and name. From then on, every time that day rolls around, you'll get a greeting the moment you turn on your car. Located on the home screen of your car is the Car Info app, and it's more than just a novelty. It houses an inclinometer that shows your vehicle's real-time pitch and roll in degrees as the car tilts on uneven ground. It gives you a real read on how far the car is leaning instead of guessing by feel. Also in the Car Info app, you can input intervals for oil changes, filter changes, tire rotations, and the car counts down from there. You can go with Subaru's default intervals, set your own, or have your dealer set it for you. Lastly, your Subaru has a full voice control system built into it, and most owners only use 2 commands before giving up on it. Here's what it can actually do. Activation is a push-to-talk system, not a wake word, which means your Subaru only listens to you when the button is pressed. When you press the button, you'll hear a confirmation beep, and that's your cue to speak. It controls 4 main areas: climate, phone, navigation, and media. Let's demo each one. Set the temperature to 72 degrees.
Okay, setting temperature to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Please say a command.
Navigate to 123 Main Street.
123 Pine Street, Hartford. Starting route guidance.
Play the Pulse on Sirius XM.
Channel the pulse.
It was like talking to her about music and like her little ideas and fun stuff. Like, oh, it was awesome.
Help.
Please say a category name, such as music or phone, or make a manual selection. Switching on climate.
Make the climate warmer.
Warmer.